Hi, welcome to Bakersfield College. I'm Professor Murray. Today I want to show you a little bit about getting onto Appstream and accessing the software that you have for your class. For this, for Appstream, I have a few different classes that are using it, but right now I'm going to talk about the project management classes. So let's take a look. First of all, I'll open up one of my Canvas shells for one of my courses. And I put right on the home page, you can see where it says here, Launch Appstream. So if you're in my course, you can click on Launch Appstream and that'll get it going. The other way is you can go to the Bakersfield College homepage and just type Appstream in the search. And it brings you to the page with Appstream. Now, there's a couple things about using this. First of all, if you're not a Bakersfield College student, you can't get in, so I wouldn't bother with that. And also, the IT people have to set you up so that your student account can access the correct Appstream location. So if you're not in a class that uses Appstream, you won't be able to log in. If you're in one of my classes or another class that uses Appstream, then you should be able to log in. Okay, I'm going to launch Appstream, and that's the same as launching it from my course. And mine is doing a two-stage authentication. So on my phone, I have to approve that. And that's let me in. Now you can see I have two different courses set up here, and I'm going to use this BC MS Project Fleet. Don't know why they called it Fleet, but that's what they called it. And this pulls up two options for, I've got Excel and I've got Project. So I'm going to open Project here. I'll click on it. And what it does is it starts a computer at Amazon, and they have server farms all over the world. So I have no idea where this actual physical computer is. It might be in Los Angeles. That's the closest server farm that I know of, but it doesn't really matter. It launches an Amazon computer, and it takes a couple minutes for it to get started. Here it comes. So it took about a minute actually. It says it's going to take 2 minutes, but it's usually faster. Now we have a limited amount of seats reserved on the Amazon computers. And what happens is if all the seats are taken, all the ones that are on standby, then it will automatically request an increase. So if you go to log on and it says no servers available or no seats available, or I forget the message, all you have to do is just wait a couple minutes for it to spool up some more computers and you should be able to log in. Okay, here we are. I've got MS Project open. And before I get into that, I need to do a little bit of housekeeping. The very first time, you have to link your OneDrive with Appstream. Or if you don't have any place to save your files. So at the top here, I'm going to click on this file folder icon. And you notice here I have two options. I've got OneDrive and I've got temporary files. On your first time opening it, you're only going to see temporary files. And that means exactly what it says. Anything in there will be destroyed as soon as you log off. So don't put anything in there that you want to keep. So up here in the corner, it's going to have a little icon that says more storage, I think it says, or more files. Anyway, click on that icon and that'll take you to a login screen where you find your Bakersfield College email location and log on with your username and password. That's a one-time thing. Once you do it once, it's going to store it, and then you'll always see OneDrive. Now when you open OneDrive, open that, and then you have to open Files, and it will show you all the files that you have stored on your OneDrive. Every student at BC College gets a OneDrive. I think everyone gets 1 terabyte of storage, so it's huge. It's good to use. You can use it for whatever you want. For Appstream, you need to use it. So here I'll open a blank project. And first thing I'm going to do is a save as. So if I save it on this PC, so this PC that's not your laptop or your home computer, that's the computer at Amazon. So if you save it there, it's going to be wiped out after you log out. So you don't want to save it there, obviously. Click on your OneDrive, and looks like it wants me to sign in again. So another sign in, I'll sign in with my Bakersfield College email and password, and that'll let me into the OneDrive. Okay, that's how you get going with it. And if you have any questions or you need any help, a couple things you can do. You can ask your professor, of course, but you can also go to the Bakersfield College Hub. I don't see it on the home page, but I'll go to that Appstream place, and here they've got a bunch of information about using Appstream. So some of those might help. And if you can't get the answer there, then here's renegadehubstudents@gmail.com. So send those guys an email or submit a help desk ticket. Lots of ways to get help. Okay, talk to you soon.